How to check recently unblocked numbers on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is the last option. In Settings, click on Privacy, which is below Account. Then simply scroll down and click on Contacts. In Contacts, click on Blocked Accounts, and you may be able to find the person in here as you may have forgot to unblock the person. Or what you can do is go to the chats and search the person. Or you can simply click on magnifying glass like option at the top. And in here, search for the contacts that you may have unblocked, and you will be able to see you have unblocked this person on your chat. Or click on three dots at the top right, go to link device and link device from previously used devices, and you may be able to find the chat where it shows you have unblocked this account. And this is how to check recently unblocked number on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.